Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 11, 2021. The Kingston Public Hospital is among 4 health facilities that will soon be receiving X-ray machines. Information Minister Favour Williams made the announcement at this week's post-cabinet press briefing. She says Cabinet granted approval for the award of a contract to supply and install 6 X-ray machines at hospitals managed by the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SARA.
The hospitals to benefit are the Kingston Public Hospital, which is slated to receive 3 X-ray machines, Spanish Town Hospital 1, the National Chest Hospital 1, and the Bustamante Children's Hospital 1 X-ray machine.
Minister Williams says the contract for $453.4 million was awarded to Arrell Limited. Meanwhile, residents of Point Hill and surrounding areas in St. Catherine now have a more modern facility at which they can access quality health care. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton officially opened the newly constructed Kenneth Health Center on Wednesday. The Type 3 Health Center was financed by the National Health Fund at a cost of over $42 million.
So it is a major expansion. It will have record-keeping, immunization, antenatal, postnatal facility. The staff here will be well taken care of, lunchroom, for staff, a dressing room, dental services, and a doctor's office. So you're not only going to get the physical, you're getting the dental, which is a big deal in the rural parts of the country and in the country generally. And that's a very positive thing. And I insisted that we provided that.
The health center, which is named in honor of the late former Member of Parliament, will benefit communities including Point Hill, Dutchies, Mendez, Pusey, Roaring River, Garden Hill, Brownstown, Reynolds, and Old Works.
Today we celebrate him in a small way, but in a significant way, because the facility here that we have put in place may not represent the sort of global contribution that he made as a nationalist, as someone who has had responsibilities for the entire country in public health and in so many other areas.
300 registered girls at the Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation will soon be receiving tablets from the entity to facilitate their learning. Gender Minister Olivia Grange says $2 million was donated by Scotiabank to assist with purchasing the devices. The Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation helps teenage mothers and pregnant teens complete their education and get their lives back on track.
I am pleased to report that the first adolescent mothers who receive scholarships through the Women's Center of Jamaica's A-Stream program to do tertiary studies have successfully completed their courses of study. One is a registered nurse and the other is a science teacher.
She adds that the center recently completed construction of its new facility in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth at a cost of $36 million and is now looking to furnish the property to facilitate school with the young mothers and their babies. And finally, Cabinet has approved 4 contracts totaling approximately $1.25 billion for various projects in the education sector. The news was disclosed by Minister of Education, Youth and Information, Favour Williams, during Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. Among the projects is the extension of the 6th form block at Kingston College. Cabinet has approved the award of that $65.2 million contract to SM Quality Construction. A $3.1 million contract was also awarded to Carlong Publishers Limited for the supply and distribution of textbooks to students at the primary level.
Cabinet also gave approval for the award of a contract for the provision of data processing service for the primary exit profile exams for grades 4, 5, and 6 in the amount of $630.2 million, inclusive of GCT, to DPK Information Systems Limited. The contract is for a 5-year period commencing June 2021.
Minister Williams says Cabinet also approved a contract to undertake the construction of a diagnostic intervention center at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, CASE. The contract, which is valued at $85.9 million, is being awarded to C&D Construction and Engineering Limited. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.